What's going on, guys? Booster Whips here. Today we're going to be installing the Acura TLX flexible carbon pillars overlays that go over the existing pillars. This is for the 2021 and up Acura TLX. We have here a Type S on deck. So this goes right over your existing pillars. And all you do is remove the back taping here. You align it with the pillars and you just stick them on. We have done this for many other platforms like the Kia EV9, the Civic, the Accord, and the Genesis G70. So this is very familiar, same install as with the other ones. So let's go ahead and get started. The very first thing you want to do, same as always, you want to go ahead and pre-clean your pillars. Good. I already used a microfiber towel to take off all the grime, any dust or anything that you may have that can prevent this from adhering correctly or creating any bubbles. So go ahead and clean the pillars, and then the next step is to go ahead and peel. What I like to do, as I've always showed in my other videos, is that I peel just enough slack for positioning, and I also pre-measure them. I put them on the pillar just to make sure that it's giving the proper coverage and where we're gonna be starting from. So in this case, I'm going to start from the top. And we're going to work on our way down using the corner of your palm to kind of push down all the way until you get to the end of the other edge. If you find yourself it's not going in the right way, you can always pull back and start aligning and redo. Go ahead and push out all the bubbles, kind of like if you're putting a screen protector on a phone. Start pressing down. This is to avoid any bubbles coming from the top to the bottom. So you want to go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and finish up here and then work on the next pillar. Here's already two of them already installed. We're going to install the rear and then the small piece that's in the front of the window. I'm going to do the small piece here by the mirror. Perfect cut. I'm going to go ahead and peel, do the same thing. We'll position and peel the rest. Like so. Last pillar on the back end side, same thing. We'll start from the top. Pre-peel. On this specific panel, there's another piece that's another curvature. It won't cover that, so just so you guys are aware, this goes edge to edge to the first line, and then there's another part that goes here, which we don't make yet. So same process. We want to go ahead and push from top to bottom until you get to the bottom. I'm gonna finalize here and then we'll see the final result. Here's the final result. And the last little piece from the front. You can find us on our website at boostedwhips.com under the Acura TLX category. Any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Booster Whips. I'm out. Have a very pleasant day and God bless.